Hello friends, welcome to Impulse Academy. Today I'll be solving class 11th chapter 1st, example number 13. So here's the question. Show that A union B is equals to A intersection B, and it implies that A is equals to B. So before doing this question, we need to let A and B as A comma B and B also as A comma B. Okay, if we let this, so what will we see that A belongs to capital A. This small a belongs to capital A. Okay, so it is given that A union B. So A also belongs to A union B. How? Let us see here. A is a set of A comma B and B is a set having element A comma B. Okay, so in this A union B, if we'll do, so what happens is all the elements of A and all the elements of B, so this will become A comma B only. And if we'll take the intersection, then again it will be intersection of A, that means the common point, common elements of A and B, that is A comma B. So here also it is same. So we can say that A belongs to A union B also. Here it is. And since A union B is equals to A intersection B, so A belongs to A intersection B also. Okay, and if A belongs to A intersection B, that means A belongs to set B also. Here it is, in this B also it is here, element A is here. Okay, so we can say that A is a subset of B. Okay, and similarly if we see this, we can say that small b is the small b, element small b is a subset of capital B. Sorry, small b is a belongs to capital B. Okay, so this small b will also belong to A union B, and if this belongs to A union B, we know that A union B is equals to A intersection B. So B belongs to A intersection B also. See, here it is, B, it belongs to A intersection B also. And if it is the case, then B belongs to A also. See, here A also comes in this, B also comes in set A. So we can say that B is a subset of A. Okay, and if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, this only happens when A is equals to B. So in this way we have solved this question and we have proved this. So thank you friends watching this video. Please share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you.